welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the oil indicator or the service indicator of a Porsche Panamera 2020. This is Panamera 4. This one comes from 2018 and further. When we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up. And in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, you can check the menu by finding the service area with this menu over here. Vehicle. Then I try to reset this manually. There is a maintenance and you'll see that this is service is due. I try to reset it manually, it doesn't work, so I use my scanning tool. This one is an Autel MK808BT Pro. I bought this for approximately go to surface area, oil reset. You'll see that it's the lighting over here. Okay. Yes. Just get through the menu. It takes a bit, but it works for me. So, hot functions. Oil reset. Just be patient. Auto oil reset, press OK. Just that was it, and as you can see the inspection is now due to 30,000 kilometers. I change the language, change it back to English. You'll see that the next maintenance is over 30,000. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.